Enabling satellite view in Google Maps is a straightforward process that allows you to view high-resolution satellite images of locations around the world. To start, open Google Maps on your device, either by accessing the website or using the mobile app. First, navigate to the location you want to view in satellite mode by typing the address or location name in the search bar and selecting it from the results. You can also use the map to zoom in and out and move around to find your desired location. Once you have found your location, look for the map type options, usually located at the top right or bottom left corner of the screen. Depending on the device and platform you are using, click or tap on the map type button, which is often labeled as base map or map type. A drop-down menu or list of options will appear, giving you the choice to switch between different map types, including satellite, terrain, and street view. Select the satellite option from the list to enable satellite view. Google Maps will then load the satellite imagery for your chosen location, displaying a high-resolution image of the area. You can zoom in and out to view more or less detail, and use the map controls to move around the image. It is worth noting that satellite view may not be available for all locations, especially in areas with limited satellite coverage or where imagery is not up to date. However, Google Maps is constantly updating its satellite imagery, so it is always worth checking to see if new images are available. In addition to using satellite view to explore locations, you can also use it to get a better understanding of the geography and layout of an area. This can be particularly useful when planning a trip or trying to get a sense of the local environment. By following these simple steps, you can easily enable satellite view in Google Maps and start exploring the world from a new perspective. Whether you are using a computer or mobile device, the process is quick and easy, and can add a whole new level of depth and understanding to your map viewing experience.